time, boss departure back in the building. Ready to drop another one for you for that ass. Y'all ready? Nah, what's good though, y'all? What's happening? Yo, man, before we even get started, man, I'm gonna just say it like everybody else saying. I'll be watching YouTube, they do the same thing, so I'm gonna do it too. Like and subscribe on the channel. Show some love. That's how you do it. They say every time you do it, you gotta just say it at the beginning. So hey, look, man, like and subscribe, man. Stop hating. You watching the channel, like and subscribe to the channel, man. Hit the bell too. Make sure notification join. So when I drop, you're the first one to get it. That's a fact though. That's a fact though. Remember, our joint, what we doing, the market just gonna move. So the quicker you jump on, now you know what I'm saying? You can match shit up, you can look for yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's like, you know what I mean? Yeah. So right now, I'm in a trade. I'm in GJ right now. I don't want to make this too long over here. I gotta look at my phone real quick and see where I'm at with it right now. But yeah, about 50 pips, up 50 pips AUD. For GJ, probably like 40 pips, something like that. We're gonna check it right now. My entry was at 53, 761, 53, 53. Right around this area. Right here. Okay? Right here. This is my entry. Okay? 7-1 actually, but you know, yeah. This is my entry. So right now, I'm up, you know, right there. You can go count the pips yourself. You know what I'm saying? See how much pips I'm up. I'm up quite a few pips. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, to me, it's kind of looks very scary, this trade. You know what I mean? Because the reason why I'm saying, because this is definitely, I'm buying. You know what I'm saying? Definitely buying. But let me just go. I think it was right here. I noticed. Yeah, definitely buying. But this drop kind of like messed me up. You know what I mean? Because if we drop down to the 4 hour, you see what happened. We got a large candle and then we have a low. You know what I mean? That's, you know what I'm saying? Like, that, you know what I mean? I'm in the beginning stages. I'm still looking at stuff. I'm always in profit, but still learning. You know what I mean? So if you guys got any suggestions of what's going on here, or where you think the market might go, if you marked up something, feel free to drop your link right there. You know, on the next video, whatever the case may be, I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up on there and analyze it myself and see what you got going on. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna, you know what I'm saying, if you wanna be a part of the squadrons, you feel me? But yeah, for GJ, I'm in a buy right now. We are in a downtrend and selling. But like I said, on the daily time frame, it's very bullish. Okay, very bullish. We are in a buy, like it's buying. Regardless of what nobody's saying, it's buying. You feel me? Go to the weekly, it's buying. We didn't break anything yet. You feel me? So it's buying. And if we break anywhere above here anywhere above here on the weekly, it's game over. Really, we pushing up. You know, we're gonna be pushing up. You know what I mean? AUD USD. Let me see what my entry was at. All right, so this is it right here. All right. This was the trade that I jumped in. I caught a few pips off of this I caught a few pips off of this on the buy, right? But then I start to see, downward movement, and it wasn't breaking my highs or anything. So I jumped out the trade in profit, and then I actually took the sell. So I took all of this. I'm dead as in profit right now. Um, about 50 pips probably. Uh, 72510 735 735. I dropped down. 735. Right around here is my entry, and I jumped in the trade. Okay. So I think as I seen the pullback, I think that's when I jumped in. I jumped out the trade, and then it started dropping. So all of this, I caught all of this right now. You know what I'm saying? So this is kind of interesting because I already know in the long run it's not going to break my lows here, and I can jump in market execution for a buy. Okay, to take the market up, and then we in the building. Okay, because that's what's happening right now. We in the building. This is a big retest here happening, and we're about to take the market up. All right, so that's what I got for you guys right now. Keep it together, keep it connected, like and share. I mean, you ain't gotta share, but you can like the video, comment below what you think, what trades you got going on this week. What you think about my trading style? If you want to comment, I ain't gonna be mad. You know what I mean? I got some things going on right now, guys. I got a lot of work going on. I just got blocked from Facebook, man. Corny ass Facebook. So I'm kind of done with social media when it comes to promote for opportunities. So if you go on my page and I got an opportunity for this, an opportunity for that. Yeah, the website probably still up, but that link probably not working no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You know what I'm saying? The only ones that y'all can really go check out is that Build a World videos, the Build a World videos, and anything new I might have. You know what I'm saying? I might come out with or something, but my econ thing, that's a dub. That's a dub. All right, so y'all gotta go fix your credit somewhere else. If y'all want somebody, you know what I'm saying, I can plug y'all in with somebody and get y'all help for that though. You know what I'm saying? That's not a problem. But I don't do that no more. You know what I mean? I'm strictly trading, doing Forex right now. And this is what I'm building up. All right, so if you're rocking with me, subscribe to my channel. I got some things, like I said, I don't want to really say too much on YouTube. But I got some things coming for you guys. I'm blocked for 30 days, so I'm going to go ahead and get to work. If you fuck with me, flux with me. All right? Holler back at your boy. Let's get this money. Let's secure these bags. I'm still in profit. I'm 6-0. Let's go. Boss up or continue to get bossed around. You know we bossed up to live a good life already.